Back to our top story now. Trials underway for one of the two people accused of setting dozens of fires and creating chaos on the Eastern Shore.
You may recall it was months of terror for people living in Accomack County. Now, Tonya Bundick is in court to face charges. She and Charles Smith III are accused of more than 60 fires early last year, and our cameras caught many of them in Accomack County. That trial's being held in Virginia Beach. Liz Palka covered the backstory of those fires. She's been there all day. She's live at the courthouse now.
Yeah, well, Tom and Nicole, it has been a long day here in Virginia Beach Circuit Court. Of course, this court case was moved here when Tonya Bundick asked for a change of venue, but the prosecutors, the Commonwealth's attorney, just brought up their key witness, Charles Smith. And of course, if you know the background of this case, you know that Charles Smith already pleaded guilty to more than 60 counts of arson. He had testified before in some video with the Accomack County Sheriff that Tonya Bundick was also involved in these arson cases. So he just came up. The Commonwealth's attorney was questioning him for about 45 minutes. They only got about halfway through. The defense was about to cross-examine him, and that's when Judge Tyler decided that they were going to take a recess and we'll start again tomorrow morning. And I believe we can show you some video of what we've seen throughout court today. Charlie Smith was the ninth witness that they did bring up today. They, of course, had Sheriff Godwin. They had several Virginia State troopers. They also had Accomack County deputies. But Smith, at first, they started out talking to him about his relationship with Bundick, that they lived together. He got very emotional, was holding back tears several different times, talking about how much he loved her. And then Agar, the Commonwealth's attorney, started asking him about why these arson cases started. And then they went specifically to the charges that relate to the trial today, which is April 1st, when Bundick and Smith were arrested, which is an arson case and a conspiracy to commit arson. He wanted to know more about that, what led them to that day, and I'll have more on all of that and what Smith said coming up in about 45 minutes when we start at 6. Live in Virginia Beach, I'm Liz Palka, 10 on your side.